Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. And today I come up with another DAX scenario where we need to identify based on the different purchase date, we need to identify the new customer and the repeat customer, the count, right? So let me just go through the data. It's a very simple data. I have an ID column and there is a customer ID and their purchase and how much amount they purchase, right? And this is the purchase date. So if you consider on a date, right, the 1st of January, right, I have three customer 100, 200 and 300. So on this particular day, all these customers are my new customer. Okay. When I go to the 2nd of January, I have three customer 100, 400 and 500. But out of that, the 100 is the repeated because he already purchased first time on the 1st January, right? And the 400 and 500 are the two new customer, right? So when I'm talking about the 1st January, I should get the new customer 3, repeat customer is 0. There is no repeat customer. Whereas on the 2nd of January, I should get repeat customer 1 because 100 is repeating and 400, 500 are the new customer. I should get new customer 2 and the repeat customer 1, right? In case of the 3rd of January, if you see 100 and 400, both are already purchased something on the 2nd January. So on the 3rd January, these two are the repeated customer and there is no new customer on the 3rd January. So for the 3rd January, I should get new customer as 0 and repeat customer as 2, right? And on the 600 3rd of January, so sorry 3rd of January, three customer. So out of that 100 and 400 are the repeat customer and 600 is the new customer. So we will get new customer 1 and repeat customer 2. So that is my objective behind the the scenario, right? How to achieve this problem? First of all, we need to understand, we need to identify that what is the first order date or the first purchase date for the each customer. Okay, 100, what is the first purchase date for the 100, 200, 300, 400, 500 and 600? That we need to identify first. Okay, so let me take a measure and slowly we'll build this formula. Okay, so let's up the new measure here. Okay, and let me first of all put the name as first purchase date. Okay, so I will say calculate. Okay, I will say the minimum of my purchase date. Okay, then I will take all the values or the distinct value of the customer ID because I need to calculate for each customer ID or the customer what is the first value, first purchase date, right? So that's what we are taking. And another filter we should apply here. I want to remove all the filters which are applied on my visualization, right? So this is the way I should work it. Okay. What is the error here? Okay, yeah, here one bracket is missing. Alright, so now let's enter it and let's bring up all the column and try and understand that. So let me bring up my customer ID. Okay, then my purchase date, and I need the purchase date itself only. Okay, then I want to bring my first purchase date, and if you see here 100 customer purchased on 1st January, 2nd January and 3rd January, but the first purchase order for this guy is 1st of January, right? Like that, my 200 is only one time. 300, if you see, this is also one time. 400, he purchased two times, 2nd January and 3rd January, but his first purchase order is 2nd of January. So we are able to achieve the first purchase date for each customer. Okay, so that's the first objective. Now what I need to do, if I want to compare these two, if my purchase date is equals to my first purchase date, right, whenever this is equal, so if in the first row, right, or on the first filter context, right, If these two are equal, then I can say it is a new customer. When it is not equal, it's a repeat customer for me, correct? So that's what we need to calculate. So if that equals, then it's a new customer. If it's not equal, it is a repeat customer. So what I will do here in this case, we need to build two actually. So let's first do for the new customer here, then I will do for the purchase customer. Okay, so new customer. So this is the name I want to put it, and let me put this in a variable here, v first purchase date equals to. Okay, so this is the one. Now what I need, I want to compare with the each order ID, right? To each order date or each purchase order with the first order date. So the first purchase date, right? So what I will do, I will take a variable here. I will say v purchase date, and I will say selected value of my purchase date. So what will happen? And so in this filter context, whatever is going on, it will just give you the purchase date here. So okay, so each, suppose on this filter context, the purchase date is 2nd of January, so it will give you 2nd of January only. So okay, now we will return here with a switch statement. What I will do here, switch, I will take true. I will compare, okay, my v purchase date. Okay, if my v purchase date is equals to my v first purchase date, okay, then I will say it's a 1. Why I am giving 1? I will say because finally we need to sum that up. Okay, so 0. Now enter it. So if you see here, so on the 1st of January, this is only 1, because on the 1st January 100 is a new customer, right? And on the 2nd January it is 0, 0 means it's a repeat customer. And the second 200 is like 1st of January, 200 is a new customer, 300 also new customer, and 400 is a new customer, right? So like that, all the data are available across different scenarios, right? So now let's see how this is the one. Let me repeat the same thing for my repeat customer as well. Okay, same formula only, nothing needs to be changed here. Repeat customer, only thing is I need to change here not equals to. Okay, whenever is not equals to, then I will get this. Okay, so these two are done, and you can get this data also here if you want to just see through what is happening, right? So this is all the data for the repeat customers. Now we need to count it based on my purchase date, because purchase needs to be grouped by, and all the things needs to be counted. Okay, let's see how to do that. So I will say create a new measure here. I will say new customer count. Okay, so I will do a sum x. Okay, sum x across my sales table, and I will say get me the sum of everything whatever there in the new customer. This is my new customer count. Same thing I will do for my repeat customer count. Okay, so let me put it here, repeat customer count, and this time I will take my repeat customer which is I created. Okay, that's it. Now remove everything, this also and this also. Now I have 3 purchase dates. Okay, now I will take the new customer count, okay, and my repeat customer count. See, now we are able to achieve what exactly we want to achieve here. So on the 1st of January there are 3 new customer and there is no repeat customer, whereas 2nd January I have 2 new customer and 1 repeat customer, and on the 3rd of January I have only 1 new customer and 2 are repeating, and the count is total 6, and here is 3 repeat customer, right? So this is the way you can achieve this formula. So hope you like this video. Please go through this video one more time, because slightly it is different. And I took a lengthier approach. I created first the uh, first date, then I compare with that, take a flag, then count it. There could be a there is a possibility that all things would be can be combined in a single measure also, but to avoid the complexity, I just split it into 4 different areas so that you can able to understand. And if you have any better solution to this, please ping me or put it in the message so that it will be helpful to others, and even I can also check it out. Okay, how it can be helpful. Hope you like this video, guys, and please do subscribe to this channel for more interesting content and more scenarios like this, uh, so that you can achieve something in your work front, right? And thanks for watching and have a nice day.